Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. Point 11 Refreshing recipes to help you beat the summer heat. Point 11 Refreshing recipes to help you beat the summer heat. HeatJeff SurakFri, the 8th of January 2025 to 8:01 break featured image popsicles _0.jpg summary cool off this summer with refreshing, plant-based treats straight from our Food for Life instructors. Break from fruity smoothies and creamy popsicles to frozen bites and no-bake snacks, this collection is all about beating the heat the delicious way. These recipes are perfect for poolside lounging, picnic packing, or simply keeping your cool on a sunny day. They're light, bright, and full of feel-good ingredients, proof that eating for your health can still taste like a treat. Break Creamsicle Smoothie break recipe courtesy of Tracy Childs from America Goes Vegan by Glen, Merzer and Tracy Childs. This smoothie tastes just as delicious and satisfying as the creamsicles you remember, but without all the sugar and dairy products. Makes 5 servings. Ingredients: greater than 1 tablespoon pitted dates, 3 to 4 oranges, peeled, seeded, and cut into chunks, 2 cups frozen bananas, 1/2 tablespoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons hemp seeds, 1 cup water, 1 cup ice. Instructions: combine the ingredients in a high-speed blender and blend until smooth. Mocha Dandy blended beverage. Break recipe courtesy of Brooke BussardHere. Here's one of my favorites in the heat. Greater than. I have always loved coffee, but during menopause, something changed, and I can't tolerate caffeine anymore. So, I use dandelion instead. It has a similar flavor with an NBSP, no caffeine. This is a beverage I created that makes a great afternoon snack but could be breakfast or dessert if you add berries. Ingredients: greater than 8 ounces silken tofu, 1 frozen banana, 2 tablespoons cacao and NBSP powder, 2 tablespoons Dandy Blend1 /4 cup water. Instructions: add all ingredients to a blender and make some magic. Break cherry ice cream. Break recipe courtesy of Laura BeckMakes. 4 servings. Ingredients: greater than 1 cup frozen sweet cherries, I use Trader Joescheck for pits. 1 or 2 frozen bananas, I cut each banana into 4 or 5 pieces before freezing. Soy milk, or any plant milk, to thin. Optional ingredients: greater than 1 teaspoon almond extract, you could use vanilla, if you prefer chocolate chips, walnuts or pistachios. Goji berries. Instructions: combine cherries, banana, almond extract, if using, and a splash or 2 of soy milk in food processor or high-speed blender, and pulse to combine. Add more soy milk a little at a time to achieve desired consistency. I like mine to be like hummus. Spoon into 4 small, freezer-safe containers. Note: it will get a little melty while you are doing this part. That's okay, it'll thicken again in the freezer. Add half tablespoon of chocolate chips, nuts, and or goji berries to each container and stir to mix them in, or leave as a topping. Cover and freeze. When I am ready to eat one, I like to pull it out of the freezer for several minutes to soften. Watermelon Hibiscus Popsicles. Break recipe courtesy of Ludmilla Wikkeling-Scott, DRPH, mile per hour. Bursting with flavor. This is the perfect recipe for all ages to cool down during the hot season. Ingredients: half medium fresh watermelon, hope you get a sweet one. 1 cup hibiscus flowers, 3 cups filtered water, maple or pomegranate syrup, to taste fresh mint. Optional instructions: first, steep hibiscus flowers in water. You can cold steep overnight or use hot water and make sure the hibiscus brew has cooled down to room temperature or cooler. Once the hibiscus is ready, chop a medium watermelon into cubes, add to blender, and pulse. You don't want your watermelon to become liquid as it already contains mostly water. Add only 1 cup of hibiscus brew, strong and tangy flavors, packed with antioxidants. Pulse a couple times, and then add your sweetener of choice. Break greater than I always do a taste test before pouring into the popsicle molds, leaving ½ inch for expansion at the top. Optional, add mint leaves to the mold. Break freeze overnight and enjoy. Break kids and adults love this tasty, hydrating treat. Break strawberry hibiscus milkshake. Break recipe courtesy of Natalie Mitchem, Ed, Mdiv, DipACLM. Break makes 1 to 2 servings. Ingredients: break greater than 1 hibiscus berry tea bag, 1 cup soy milk or other non-dairy milk, 8 large frozen strawberries, 8 large fresh strawberries, 1/2 teaspoon maple syrup or half pitted date. Optional, may be needed if fresh fruit is not sweet enough. Instructions: break heat 1 cup soy milk or other non-dairy milk, add 1 hibiscus berry tea bag, and let tea bag steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Break let the cup of hibiscus berry soy milk cool for 5 minutes. Break in a blender, add the hibiscus berry soy milk, frozen strawberries, fresh strawberries, and optional maple syrup or half pitted date. Blend until smooth. Break pour in cup and enjoy. Break Choco-Nana powered up smoothie. Break recipe courtesy of Lyn GradyMakes. 1 to 2 servings. Ingredients: break greater than 1 frozen banana, 2 medjool dates, 1 scoop/serving plant-based vanilla protein powder, 1 tablespoon unsweetened cacao powder, 1 cup no sugar added coconut water, 1/4 to ½ cup unsweetened almond milk, 5 ice cubes. Optional 5 frozen dark sweet cherries for topping. Optional fresh mint for garnish. Optional instructions: break place all ingredients, except the cherries and mint, into a high-powered blender. Break blend until smooth and creamy, adjusting the amount of ice or liquid as needed to reach your desired consistency. Break pour into a glass and top with frozen cherries. Break garnish with mint leaves. Enjoy. Break this breakfast smoothie combines antioxidant-rich cacao with banana and dates for natural energy, plus a protein boost to support muscle health. Break enjoy it alone as a nourishing meal replacement or divide it into 2 servings if paired with another breakfast item. Break zesty tiger gazpacho. Break recipe courtesy of Linda Colton. Break makes 4 to 6 servings. Break the perfect antidote to a sultry summer night is a cup of fresh, summer gazpacho. Gazpacho originated in Spain, but this version boasts zesty Thai flavors for a delicious twist. Break gazpacho brings together all the best flavors of summer in one gulp. Juicy tomatoes, sweet red peppers, and cooling cucumbers are the stars of this recipe. Together, they deliver a powerful punch of plant-powered goodness. You'll get lots of vitamin C and important antioxidants, including lycopene, a plant compound linked to improved heart health, cancer prevention, and protection against sunburns. Break Thai red curry paste, an ingredient available in the global foods aisle of most grocery stores, lends subtle notes of lemongrass, galangal, and lime. Break when it comes to texture, some prefer a chunky mouthful, but blending the gazpacho to a silky smooth finish creates a creaminess that makes this low-calorie soup rich and filling. Break one thing is for certain, the only thing better than the taste of gazpacho is how easy it is to make. Break toss everything into a blender and just like that, you're ready to cool off and satisfy your appetite with a vibrant plant-based summer delight. Break serve it as an appetizer in wine glasses rimmed with lime juice and margarita salts or alongside bruschetta and a crisp garden salad for a dreamy dinner on a hot night. Break extras taste great the next day, so pack a mason jar for lunch and enjoy a cool slurp under a shady tree. Ingredients: break 2½ pounds ripe tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper, 1 medium cucumber, 1/2 cup canned tomatoes sauce or tomato juice, 3 large garlic cloves, 4 scallions, 1/4 cup fresh basil leaves, 3 tablespoons sherry or red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon Thai red curry paste juice from half lime or lemon, 1/4 teaspoons salt, pinch of red pepper flakes. Garnishes: break toasted bread cubes or croutons, diced avocado, diced cucumber and red pepper chopped. Olives, lime wedges. Instructions: break prep the vegetables, break wash the vegetables. Break core the tomatoes and cut into chunks. Break cut the pepper into big pieces, discarding the seeds and stem. Break slice the cucumber lengthwise if it's seedy, use a spoon to scoop out the seeds, which can make the soup watery. Break cut the cucumber into large pieces. Peel the garlic. Break trim the scallions and cut them into large pieces. Break blend. Break put the vegetables into the blender. Break add basil, sherry, thyme, red curry paste, lime juice, salt, and red pepper flakes. Break blend on high speed for about 1 minute. Break if you prefer a chunkier texture, blend on medium speed until the desired texture is achieved. Break chill for 30 minutes or more. Break serve in bowls, cups, or glasses. Break garnish as desired and enjoy. Break mango lassi. Break recipe courtesy of Sarah Johnson. Break makes 2 servings. Ingredients: break greater than 1 10-ounce bag frozen mango chunks, 1/2 cup unsweetened non-dairy milk, such as soy milk, 1/2 cup plain non-dairy yogurt, see note, 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Instructions: break place all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth, and NBSP. Stirring is necessary. Break pour into 2 glasses. Break serving suggestion: dress the top with a sprinkle of your favorite chili powder for a pop of color and a hint of spice. Yogurt note: break making yogurt at home is easy and NBSP economical and allows you to control the NBSP ingredients. Add 1 32-ounce carton of room temperature, shelf-stable soy milk to a sterile vessel and whisk in 1/4 cup of store-bought yogurt. Cover and place in a room temperature oven, next to the lit oven light. The heat from the light is all that's needed to facilitate growing the active cultures! And NBSP, leave for about 12 hours, or until the yogurt has set in a custard-like consistency. At this point the NBSP yogurt is done and can be stored in the refrigerator. Optionally, you can make the yogurt thicker by letting it stand in a strainer lined with cheesecloth or a coffee filter for 30 minutes to an hour. I also like to blend the NBSP yogurt in a food processor for a silky smooth texture. Make sure to reserve 1/4 cup of yogurt to start your next batch. Break layered fruit and chia delight. Break recipe courtesy of Mary Montequin, Mississippi, MFT. Break this dessert requires an overnight step, but it's totally worth it. Ingredients for the chia component: break greater than 3 tablespoons chia seeds, 2 tablespoons agave, 1 cup plant milk of choice. I prefer soy or oat for a better consistency. Instructions: break combine all 3 ingredients into a bowl that can be refrigerated and NBSP overnight. Stir until all is combined and no lumps remain. Break place the bowl into the refrigerator and NBSP covered. Stir again after 1 hour, and after the mixture has set, place it in the refrigerator overnight. And NBSP ingredients for the date: fudge layer. Break greater than 1 cup dates soaked overnight in water, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, splash of almond extract. Instructions: break put all ingredients, and NBSP, including soaking water from dates, and NBSP, into a high-powered blender. Break blend until the mixture is smooth. Break refrigerate and NBSP this mixture overnight and NBSP, as it will thicken and be easily spreadable. And NBSP, putting it all together. The layering: break use as many fruits as you'd like. And NBSP, I typically use sliced strawberries and bananas as well as whole fresh blueberries. Break start with a clear bowl so that you can see your layers. Break add a layer of chia pudding, then date fudge followed by a fruit layer, and continue to repeat until you and NBSP have the desired result. Break greater than. I like to end with a design. Be artistic and make it fun. It's also a great project for the kids. Break keep this dessert cold until serving it. And NBSP, break Asian smashed cucumber. Break recipe courtesy of Denise Bradford from Essential Wellness Center. Break traditional dish in Zhejiang and Jiangsu provinces in China. Ingredients: break greater than 1 Lebanese cucumber, 6 cloves, 20 grams, Garlic 2 teaspoons, low salt soy sauce 2 teaspoons, white rice vinegar 2 teaspoons, date paste 1/2 teaspoon, vegan chicken stock 1 teaspoon, roasted sesame paste 1 teaspoon, roasted sesame seeds. Instructions: break wash the cucumber carefully but do not remove the skin. Break place the cucumber on a flat wooden chopping board and use a rolling pin to smash it into teaspoon size pieces. Break place smashed cucumber in a glass bowl. Sauce: break chop the garlic very finely. Place in small glass bowl. Break add amino acids / soy sauce. Add white rice vinegar, date paste, vegan chicken stock, and roasted sesame paste. Break mix thoroughly and pour over smashed cucumber. Sprinkle with roasted sesame seeds. Break serve cold. Break breakfast pudding. Break recipe courtesy of Sharon McRae, adapted from Chef AJ's overnight muesli. This is an alternative way to eat oatmeal without waiting for it to cook in the morning. You can eat it chilled or warmed, and you can even bake it for cookies or bars. It makes a great dessert too. Feel free to substitute in the fruits and spices of your choice. Ingredients: break greater than 1 cup rolled oats, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or half teaspoon vanilla powder, 1 ripe banana, mashed, fork works well, half cup frozen wild blueberries, or other berries of choice, frozen or fresh, 2 tablespoon raisins, currants, or goji berries, 1 cup plant milk. Instructions: break stir together oats, chia seeds, vanilla powder, if using, and cinnamon in a small bowl or jar. Break add vanilla extract, berries, and dried fruit, stir again. Place banana into a food processor and process thoroughly using the S-blade. Break pour banana mixture and plant milk over all ingredients and stir well. Break refrigerate overnight. The chia seeds absorb the liquid and thicken, giving a pudding-like consistency to the mixture. Break eat as is or warm if desired with additional plant milk. We love this straight out of the fridge with fresh fruit for a healthy and satisfying dessert. Break topics. Break good nutrition. Break page heading. Break recipes. Break department. Break communications, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.